Greetings to you too. In this video, we're going to be looking at the taskbar and everything about it. Come on. Right, so a taskbar is this long section over the bottom of your screen, right? All of this is called a taskbar, right? A taskbar consists of tasks. These are tasks. The tasks are made out of icons and things like that, right? Also here we got icon symbols in the corner. These ones are called corner icons, right? In the far corner you have notifications. Click here, you get notifications like calendar and when to scan your computer for viruses and all that kind of things, right? Over here you have widgets, right? Right. So if you want to configure a taskbar, you come over the taskbar, right? Just in the open place. Don't click in any of these icons. Right here, right? Right click and then go to taskbar settings. And then you would have these configurations, right? Over here is how you want this search bar right here to look like, right? For me, I like this one, right? If you want it to be just this regular one, you could toggle search box. If you want it to be like this one, my favorite, you can do that one. If you want to be search icon only, it's going to be just an icon. If you want to hide it, remove it from the taskbar, you can do that, right? Sorry. But then I'm going to put it back to how I like it. Task view is this one. So in case you have different desktop, you make different desktop, right? You need this one to to actually maneuver through, right? So if you don't want this on your taskbar, you can untoggle this and it's gonna go away, right? Put it back on. Widgets right here, again, on, off, and on and off. There it is. Let's move on. Taskbar corner icons. Again, it's these icons right here, but these ones are the ones that normally appears when they are being used, right? Or rather when they are connected. For example, if you want to connect a pen, there's no pen right now, I didn't connect it, so it's not gonna show up here. Even if this is like toggled on, visual touchpad, I don't have it, so it's not gonna show up even if I toggle this on. See, there's nothing there. But if I plug it in and then I use it, you start seeing the icons and stuff like that, right? Right, great, let's move on. That's straightforward. Down here is also the corner icons, but these ones are part of these ones. See this? It's part of these ones. Like this one is this one, okay? This is the Windows update status to remind you if you should update or there are updates, right, available. So if you remove this, again, it goes away here. If you put this back on, it comes back here, right? And you could also find your own and toggle them. I don't need this. I don't think it's necessary for me to be seeing all this. Only this one is what I want, right? Right. Let's move on to taskbar behavior, right? Great. Now, taskbar alignment. Right now, as you can see, the icons are in the center of the taskbar, right? In our beloved previous Windows, like Windows 10, Windows 8, etc., we had everything here on the left-hand side, right here. Am I right? Yes. So if you still want that layout, again, you can still get it. Come here and click left, and everything goes to the left. See? Now you can have your experience as Windows 10. Right. Let me bring it back in the center because I like it there. Amazing. Automatically hide taskbar. If you want to hide the taskbar, you see that right now it shows, obviously. If I want to hide it, I'll toggle here and it goes away. If I want to show it, I come down here. You see when I move my mouse down below, it's gonna show like this. If I hover away from the taskbar, it's gonna go away. I'll put this back on. Great. If you want to show badges, keep this on. if you wanna show taskbar in both displays, I have a second screen over there. That's my second screen, and I have this screen, the one that we're looking at right now. Over this other screen, I also have the same taskbar that I have here, except it doesn't have these corner icons right here, right? Because there's no need for them to show up over there, right? Great. Now, if you want them to not show, if you want this taskbar to not show over the second screen, I can untoggle this and it goes away. It's gone. It's gone right now. It's gone. If I put it back on, it's back. There it is. There it is. Right. Wait. Over here is, some just multiple questions about if you want this to appear on this side of your display or that, it's just the same kind of questions, For example, if you want this to happen in all displays, right? So we have this taskbar and we have that taskbar, right? Wait, this one would be the main taskbar, right? And that one would be the other taskbar, right? Right. So in the main taskbar, there are things that I do here that I don't want it to appear on that one, right? Yes. Again, as you can see here, taskbar where Windows is open. So sometimes you open the window here, right? And then you don't want it to appear there. And it's straightforward, guys. I don't know why I'm explaining this. It's pretty straightforward. Right here it says share any window from my taskbar, right? I have a window open here like this one, okay? I can share it with that one over there, right? So if I go over that side, right, it can also appear of that side, this one, this side, right? For example, right now, if I close this, I don't want to close it. If I close this, right, over that side, it's gonna close too. Or if I open this side, also this side is gonna come. I don't know if I make sense. I don't know. I feel like today I'm talking a lot of words that really don't make an impact. But then I know that you hear what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna say it one more time. One more time, okay? Pay attention. Pay attention. I'm sharing windows. Anything that is here can appear there. Okay? That is simply sharing. I think I should have said it like that from the first place, okay? If I don't want to share, then I would not toggle this, right? I would not toggle this, right? And then automatically it's not gonna share. Thank you. That's it. Straightforward, short, keep going, okay? Don't make this video too long. Just keep going. Thank you. Finally. Select the far corner to show, okay, this one is this one right here, is this thing right here, right? So for example, I'm gonna open just another, file explorer, If I come over the corner, not here, over the far corner, see right here, and I click, right? Everything would go away and the desktop would show, right? If I want everything back, again, go to the far corner, far, and click, and everything would come back again, right? All right. Now, if you don't want that setup, you would remove it, right? So now if you come here, you can click, see, there's nothing, right? But I would love to have that back on. Right. Now, configuring the color of the taskbar is not part of the taskbar settings. It's part of I talked about this, the color. I have a video, so I'm gonna put a pop-out right there, pop-out card. So go ahead and click on that colors video and see how you change the colors over all the system, right? And then you're also gonna affect the taskbar. That make sense? Yes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the taskbar and everything about it, right? Great. In the next video, I'll be talking about the menu, or the start button, right? Or the start menu button. So go ahead and check that video and I will see you in a scroll.